everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today it is Thursday, December the 5th of 2024, and oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited to be bringing you all this video. So many hot deals right now to talk about. I had an Ibotta bonus that I went out and finished $5 on 10, so I was able to go and do that and get some crazy awesome deals. New bonuses dropped today on Thursday, so check your accounts for that. But I'm going to show you guys how I did my Ibotta haul. Plus, we have a new free laundry detergent deal to talk about. It's a run deal because it is not going to last long. It is set to actually go away. It says 1 day left, so you're going to want to hurry on this one. But I had to let you guys know about it. It's such a great deal, so we're going to talk about that. We have some really great stuff to talk about in this video today, so you're going to want to stay tuned. So in the description box below, I have a link to the printable breakdown. Even though you might not be able to do the same bonus I did, I'm going to have all the deals typed out so you can work these into your own hauls, so that's available. Also, if you guys are not already signed up for these rebate apps, go ahead and get signed up. I have all my referral codes down below to do that. So that is available as well. So anyways, guys, without further ado, we're going to dive right in. I am going to talk about Kroger first. That is where the free laundry detergent deal is. I'm going to show the items that I got for my haul at Kroger, and then I'm also going to dive into Walmart after that. So we got some stuff at Walmart as well. So exciting, but this is a deal at Kroger. Thank you so much to Elise. I totally missed this one, so I appreciate when you guys let me know things that I missed. The Arm & Hammer Eco Laundry Detergent Sheets. So these are not dryer sheets. These are actually laundry detergents, but they are in like sheet form. So you just throw it in the wash or whatever. They're $7.49 for the 35 count. Now, I was taken aback because the picture shows 50 count and it says 50% off, so I didn't even pay attention, but it actually includes the 35 count Arm & Hammer Power Sheets. So when you use that on this product at $7.49 mega, it's going to be free. So an awesome freebie. I wish I would have known about this yesterday when I was doing this haul, but I'll definitely be going back to Kroger to get in on that deal because it's an awesome freebie. Thank you to Elise for that one. Now let's get into the deals that I did for the haul. All right, guys. First deal I'm doing, this isn't even an Ibotta deal, but I'm just working it into my haul. It's on the gum floss picks. These guys are regularly $3.29. They're on the mega event for $1.99, and I do have $1 off digital. So after the digital, it makes it 99 cents, and this is a big bag, the 90 count. So I'm going to pick this up for our mega event. Guys, check your Kroger accounts for new best customer bonus coupons, new coupons dropped or whatever. Basically, this is when they give you coupons based on the things that you purchase, which is always really nice. So, first one I got here is a free link meal. So, gonna go ahead and pick up one of these for free. So, all right. So another good best customer bonus coupon. I got a free Nature Valley bar 6 to 12 count. So, I'm going for the more expensive ones here. We can either get the oatmeal squares, we can get the muffin bars, or we can get like these biscuits. Tough decisions. I don't know. I think we liked these, so I'll go ahead. Wait, no, this is 10. This is 12. I'm going to go ahead and get the 12 count. Peanut butter. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, next thing I'm picking up is going to be the Ripple half and half. This is on the mega event for $4.99. There's a totally free manufacturer's rebate, which I will have in the description for you guys. So going to get that money back to my PayPal or Venmo. So it's going to make it $4.99. Get back $4.99. So free. So a nice freebie for the Ripple. Next thing I'm grabbing on the mega event, it's going to be the Cheerios cereal. So these guys are $1.79 on the mega, have $1 on 2 digital coupon, and Ibotta has 50 cents back. So I'm going to get that back times 2. So it's going to make them 79 cents each, and that is 2 towards our bonus. So super great picking these up. All right, next thing I'm picking up is going to be the Snuggle fabric softener in the blue sparkle variety. This is on the mega event for $2.99. There's a rebate over on Shopkick, still available for $1.64 back, 410 kicks between buy it and scans. But to make this even better for me, I actually have a 70-cent Kroger best customer coupon. So it's going to end up making this for me just 65 cents. For you guys, $1.35. Great deal either way. Super excited to be picking this up. All right, guys. It's been a while since you see me do a deal on the Rockstar energy drinks. There was some issue with aisle and it not giving me credit for the rebates. They finally fixed it like 3 months later, so I can do it again. I'm really excited. So the Rockstar energy drinks, these guys are $2 each. You're gonna go ahead and buy 2, $4. You're gonna get back $5 for buying 2 of them. That's a manufacturer's rebate. I'll have that in the description box. You can do it once every 2 weeks, and then for every friend you get to the deal, you can do it again. So because of you guys being so nice, I'm gonna be able to grab a couple more of these today. I'm just gonna get 2 at Kroger, so it's gonna make it free plus a $1 money maker. So awesome deal. All the items I'm picking up for our couponing haul over here at Kroger. Let's head over to Walmart and let's get some more deals. All right, guys, we have made it to Walmart, and the first thing we're going to pick up is a 1 pound package of rice. You can get white for 92 cents, or the brown is 88 cents. Why there's a little like 4-cent difference, I don't know, but I'm going to get the cheaper one. So this is 88 cents. I have 10 cents back on any brand of rice on Ibotta. So it's going to make this 78 cents. So you're going to pick this up. Gosh, guys, I was so excited to see the rebate for this go up on Shopkick. This is awesome. So the 7th generation dish soap, Walmart sells these for $3.53. We have a super awesome rebate on Shopkick. It's for 810 kicks between the buy it and the scan kicks. That's $3.24 back. It's going to make these just 29 cents a bottle. 29 cents a bottle. That is such an awesome deal for these. The deal on the dish soap is limit 3, so I am going to go ahead and grab 3 of them. 10 scan kicks for 1, and then the 800 for each of them too. So a really nice deal for the 7th generation. Alright, so the next deal I'm going to pick up is actually going to be 5 of the Glade air freshener sprays. These guys are $2.28 over here at Walmart. We have a rebate over on Ibotta for $1.50 back. So after that, it's just going to make these 78 cents per spray or whatever, so it's a pretty good deal. Definitely gonna go ahead and stock up and pick up 5 of these today because these things throwback to when these were like $1 forever, and now they're $2.28. But got to get the deals when we can, so stocking up on these, and that's 5 towards our bonus. Alright guys, next deal I'm grabbing is going to be a thing of Purex crystals. These guys are $3.97 over here at Walmart. There's still that $2 rebate. It just keeps resetting and resetting and resetting, so I still have it. So you can get $2 back. Makes it $1.97. So yeah, definitely going to pick this up and work it into our haul today. So I'm going to pick these up. The last thing for my Ibotta bonus here, it's going to be the Caesar Peel and Serve like dog food pouches. My aunt likes to give these to her dogs, so this is going to work out good. These are 78 cents. Have a buy one, get one free rebate on Ibotta, so it's going to be 78 cents for both. So I'm going to go ahead and pick these up. Last deal I'm going to grab at Walmart. It's actually going to be 6 of the Rockstar energy drinks because you guys have been so kind and used my referral code. I'm able to do this deal many more times. So they are $1.88 each. Buy 2, get that $5 on 2 manufacturers rebate. So after that, it's going to end up making these free plus a $1.24 moneymaker. So awesome deal. Remember, you can do it once every other week, or if you get more friends to sign up, you can do it again. So awesome. So I got to find 2 more, but an awesome moneymaker on these. This is everything we're grabbing. Let's go home and talk money. Alright guys, here are all the items that I picked up between Kroger and Walmart, and here's the breakdown. So everything after my rebates at Kroger came to $2.78, and then everything at Walmart after my rebates came to $7.43. Add all that up, it comes to $10.21. Got back my $5 midweek bonus, so it makes it $5.21 for everything, and that does include tax. And we got some really good stuff here. We got 5 of those Glade sprays, we got the Purex crystals, we got the Snuggle, we got the dish soap, and honestly guys, a lot of this was tax. It really was. So I am not mad about this haul at all. I think we got some great stuff, and it was definitely worth it. So anyways guys, that's all I got. Hope you all enjoyed. Get in, especially on the Arm & Hammer laundry sheets deal. Totally free. That is awesome. So thank you again to Elise for that, and thank you guys so much for watching.